Hello everyone, a very good morning to you. Welcome to today's edition of The Bottom Line. Here are the top headlines. Canada advises citizens not to travel abroad for unnecessary reasons. Delhi Kathmandu bus service all set to start again. Italy bans tourists from Singapore until Jan 31st. Qatar selects Airbus for domestic fleet renewal. France to ban British tourists as Greece demands for PCR tests. Civil Aviation Minister says that reopening of international flights completely depends on the Omicron situation. The government officials urged Canadians not to travel to foreign land for Christmas and New Year holidays amid the Omicron scare. The government is threatened by the rising numbers of Omicron cases locally, which makes them fear the most. Canadian Health Minister Jean Douglas said, "Those who are planning to travel, I say very clearly, now is not the time to travel. The rapid spread of COVID variant on the global scale makes us fear the worst." Delhi Kathmandu bus services are all set to start again. DTC issued a notification in this regard stating that it has tied up with Skyline India Private Limited for operation of the bus. The notification further stated that the latest COVID-19 protocols issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs will be strictly followed in all conditions. All passengers should mandatorily carry their COVID vaccination certificate. Also, they should be able to provide a negative RT-PCR test report that has been taken within 72 hours of starting their journey. Those who fail to provide the said documents, they will not be allowed to board the bus. As regarding the bus fare, now the fare has been increased to around 2,800 INR, which was earlier around 2,300 INR. Singapore residents will not be allowed to travel to Italy for leisure from Thursday until 31st January next year. Italian embassy said its health ministry has moved Singapore onto a list of countries deemed to be higher risk of COVID-19 infections. The embassy did not specify the reason for changing Singapore's risk classification, the report said. That's all we have for you in today's edition of The Bottom Line. Thank you for joining us. For more such travel industry updates, stay tuned till next week. Have a great day ahead.